When time runs out, in a quaint village surrounded by lush green meadows, there lived an elderly man named Elias. He was known for his kindness and wisdom, and his small cottage, adorned with blooming flowers, was a place where villagers often gathered to hear his tales of life and love. Elias had a daughter, Emily, whom he had raised alone after his wife's passing. She was the light of his life, and he worked tirelessly to provide her with the best opportunities. When Emily received a scholarship to study in the city, Elias was overjoyed, though a part of him ached at the thought of her leaving. "Remember, my dear," Elias said as he handed her a delicate silver locket, "this holds our love and memories. No matter where life takes you, let it remind you of home." Emily promised to stay in touch, and at first, she wrote letters frequently, sharing stories of her studies and new experiences. But as time passed and responsibilities grew, her letters became scarce. Elias, however, never stopped writing. Every month, he sent her a letter filled with warmth and encouragement, though most remained unanswered. Years passed, and Emily, now a successful professional, became engrossed in her bustling city life. She intended to visit but always found a reason to delay. Next holiday, she told herself. But holidays came and went, and Elias remained in the village, waiting. One winter, Elias fell ill. The villagers sent word to Emily, but she was in the midst of an important project. "I'll go next weekend," she assured herself. However, when she finally made the journey home, the cottage was silent. Elias had passed away the night before. On his bedside table lay an unopened letter addressed to her. With trembling hands, she opened it and read, "My dearest Emily, life moves swiftly, and its demands are endless, but always remember that love and family are timeless. The locket I gave you was not just a trinket but a piece of my heart. If you ever feel lost, let it guide you back home. With all my love, Father." Tears streamed down Emily's face as she clutched the letter. She looked around the home she had left behind, now feeling its emptiness more than ever. She found the locket still gleaming and pressed it close to her heart. From that day on, Emily dedicated her time to the village, honouring her father's memory by helping those in need. She became the storyteller Elias once was, reminding others never to let life's distractions take them away from the ones who love them most. Moral of the story: cherish your loved ones while you still have the time. Success and responsibilities may wait, but the warmth of family and love is irreplaceable. Let's learn some words adorned, meaning decorated. Example: Elias's cottage was adorned with blooming flowers, making it a warm and inviting place for the villagers. Delicate meaning, fragile, easily broken. Example: Elias handed Lily a delicate silver locket, reminding her to always cherish their bond. Scarce meaning, limited in quantity. Example: at first Lily wrote letters frequently, but as time passed, they became scarce. Silent meaning, completely quiet. Example: when Lily finally arrived, the cottage was silent, filled with an emptiness she had never known before. Clutched meaning, held something tightly due to strong emotions or fear. Example: tears streamed down Lily's face as she clutched the letter, regretting the lost time. Timeless meaning, something that never fades or loses its value over time. Example: Elias's love and wisdom were timeless, living on even after he was gone. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe.